Experts warn people taking blood pressure medication of an expanding recall.
Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by these inspiring stories every day.
We have bad news for anyone taking blood pressure medication. That nationwide voluntary recall of these medicines has expanded once again. The latest recall is related to the ongoing problems with tainted blood pressure tablets that could increase a patient's cancer risk. A number of different blood pressure medications, all containing the ingredient valsartan and produced by the Chinese drug manufacturer Zhejiang Huhai Pharmaceuticals, were discovered to contain the chemical byproducts NDMA or NDEA. NDEA and NDMA are both known to increase the risk of cancer in animals and believed to do the same for humans. Drugs produced by Zhejiang Huhai have already been recalled in more than 20 countries. While not all drugs containing valsartan were recalled, all of the drugs included in the recall do contain valsartan. The FDA has already barred all drugs made by Zhejiang Huhai from entering the country since September, but patients may still have these tablets in their medicine cabinets, so any patient on blood pressure medication should double-check. Losartan potassium hydrochlorothiazide 100 mg, 25 mg tablets produced by Sandoz with the lot number JB8912 are the latest drug to be recalled by their manufacturer. But if you're taking blood pressure medication, you should check both the FDA's list of recalled products and their list of valsartan products that are not recalled. If your blood pressure medication bottle does not include the name of the manufacturer, contact your pharmacist to learn more. You should also consult your doctor before stopping to take or changing your medications. The FDA actually recommends that patients affected by the recall continue to take the tainted valsartan tablets until they have a safe replacement. Because the recalled drugs make up less than 1% of the total losartan drug market in the US, if your medication was affected, your doctor will probably only recommend switching to the same medicine from a different company. But other patients might experience a dangerous reaction to the tainted tablets. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories, jojostories.com.